England, 1586. A secret letter will decide the fate of two queens. One rules England, the other claims the throne. Mary has been a prisoner for 18 years. Catholic Europe sees Mary as the true queen. But Elizabeth has a weapon, her spymaster. Walsingham builds England's first secret intelligence network. Spies, double agents, and intercepted messages. A young Catholic nobleman joins the conspiracy. His name is Anthony Babington. The plan: assassinate Elizabeth and free Mary. Their letters travel hidden inside beer barrels. But the courier is secretly working for Walsingham. Every message is intercepted. Philippes draws a gallows beside the letter.
How will the 6 gentlemen kill the Queen?
In the Queen's name, halt! On men!
Babington and his plotters are arrested. Mary is charged with treason.
On February 8th, a queen is executed.
Her death sparks the coming storm.